have to drive the ministers, and the performance of the ministers will be reflected by the supervision they give. So the assessment is upon the results of the ministers they drive.
Thank you. Thank you, President.
And Mr. President, just one question. The issue of prices, I think, is
The what?
The issue of prices, consumer prices.
Yes, we are very concerned as government about the rise of general prices on the market. I had a meeting yesterday with the Minister of Industry, Dr. Bima, to call both the manufacturers, wholesalers and the retailers and discuss with them. We don't think it is good to go for legislation, to legislate against the prices. We need to come to an understanding and have the people in these categories appreciate where we are coming from, where we want to go, and they must have a human face. They mustn't be profiteering, because in some cases you find the same article is sold at this price in this shop, different price in the shop. Why should the difference be 15-20% of one item? We have to interrogate such issues.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.